If you're having issues with your website, feel free to reach out to me at webtrackofficial@gmail.com. Whether it's troubleshooting, optimizing, or taking your website to a next level, I am here to help you solve any website challenges. Hey everyone, welcome back to WebTrack. If your WordPress site shows a not secure warning, even though you have an SSL certificate, you might be facing something called mixed content. But don't worry, I'll show you what it is, why it happens, and how to fix it step by step. Mixed content happens when your WordPress site is loaded over HTTPS, but some resources, like images, CSS, or JavaScript, are still being loaded over HTTP. This mix causes browsers to flag your site as insecure. Mixed content can hurt your SEO, lower trust, and even block resources from loading, breaking parts of your site. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search Really Simple SSL. Install and activate. From the dashboard, click on Settings. From the left sidebar, go to SSL. Under Mixed Content, enable the Mixed Content Fixer. And also, since we're facing this issue on the backend as well, enable this Mixed Content Fixer, backend. This should probably fix it. Now let's refresh and check. Here you can see, no more warnings. If you don't own a SSL certificate, you can get it for free by watching the video in the cards above. Mixed content might seem technical, but once you fix it, your site becomes secure, trustworthy, and SEO friendly. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. See you later, alligator.